Hey everyone, today we'll be doing an unboxing. Now you might be saying to yourself right now, dang, that's a big box. What kind of road ripper did you get? Well, it's not a road ripper, it's a New Bright toy. It's a New Bright, I'll show you to it. I'll just show you. Where's my battery? I threw it. Oh, it's over here. But this box is huge. I wonder how. This dull knife is not helping. Oh, it is, but not as much as I wanted. This guy is huge. Let's move this knife out of the way. Oh my. Nah. Let's see how big it is. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa, this guy's massive. Yo. This guy is huge. Holy shit. This guy is massive. Hold on. I have to put the camera down. Oh my freaking god, this guy is massive. Let me throw the things away, actually. Give me a second. Right now, I'm just taking off all this plastic out. Okay. Yeah, it's broken right there. You just cut it carefully so I don't rip off anything. Oh. Wow, this guy is huge. This part lifts up, well, it's supposed to, but it's broken. That's where battery goes. Yeah, I'm gonna glue that. Oh, look at this. This is the controller, the battery, and the battery, or the charger and battery. Okay. So this is its battery charger. 4 hour, hold on. 4 hour battery charger. And in here, is the battery itself. I wonder if I can charge it. Probably not. I'm just gonna snap it in the case though. Anyways, it's time to plug in this battery in there. Let's see. I know this guy didn't come with any batteries. Yep, nothing. Then I'm gonna get some out of my Hummer. So I'll be right back. Right? It works. Lock and alarm and speed control. I haven't actually turned on the vehicle yet. So this might be a little bit hard. But I'm gonna try my best here. Since this thing is broken. Oh god, it is broken. Let's see if I can plug in this battery in there. Let's hope I can get this in one shot. Okay. Alright. Now I guess that doesn't snap in, doesn't it? Oh, I guess at one point it did. Now let's flip it over. Where's the switch? Oh, it's in the back. Right here. This is the switch. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it works. Reverse. It's a little bit slow. Ooh. That's pretty neat. And it does not move, if you're curious. It doesn't move when it's on the alarm feature. But look at that. That's cool. It only has one mirror. It is pretty slow, but it is pretty damaged. You can actually open up this side right here to reveal its engine. Isn't that nice? Really detailed too. Now it's trying to close the back up. How am I gonna do this? Oh, it's because the wire was in the way. I think you can open these doors, correct? Oh, you can. Which is pretty detailed in there. Ooh, it's actually really detailed. Dang, New Braid did a great job on detail. Anyways, let's swap it to turn off the alarm. It's a little bit delayed. Well, I think that's the end of the video. There's a lot of repairing that I'm going to have to do, obviously. And it looks like I'm going to have to lubricate it too. I can hear the motor squeaking. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. And, next video will be this guy reviewed with its brand new grease. Or, yeah, I'm getting a brand new grease later. But, until then, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me one of these. And see you later. Honestly, this guy is amazing. I love this guy. Of course, it's damaged, but I don't care. This guy is still amazing. Anyways.